Let it continue forever, and their relationship should nourish and create a new atmosphere in the Christian life of India.
So how you seen on in Goa, sir?
This is today's.
Goa.
What is the first reaction? You oath, taken oath.
The per capita income in India is maximum, according to me, on the base of 2 years back analysis. Now, and the tourism minister frankly told today, this is going to be one of the best tourist sport in the world. The schemes are declared, and that's a blessing for me, because I reached here today, swearing today, and this is happening, and that proclamation on the side of the concerned minister created a good atmosphere, and I will also be participate in that process. And another thing, the entire India, of course, study many things from the history as well as the unity of the people. Legal justice is concerned, is an exceptionally important state. I am not saying anything about that now. And legal system, equal justice and other things are concerned. And further, we would see the unity among the people. There is no communal right as such, and people are cooperating with each other, and a very good relationship. And culturally also, the Goa is in the forefront of South India, and I think the Honorable Chief Minister, Opposition Leader, everybody participated, and Honorable Union Minister was a close friend of mine from 2 decades back. In 2004, I was here while Anilji was the Prime Minister. He was the state president of a particular political party, and its national conference was here. And 2-3 days I spent along. At that time, he was very much accommodative to me. And Kerala and Kerala and Goa, and I am coming from from Mizoram. All these 3 states are topmost in the field of tourism. So coordination between 3 states, I can do more and more. Today morning, Honorable Kerala Chief Minister talked to me. We talked about it, and Mizoram, of course, good opinion about me. And here also, the Honorable Minister is from this area, especially charged in that. And we will be able to make so many development activities in Goa. Of course, as a head of the state, I will also cooperate with them whenever it is required. Under the system of our constitution, Governor is bound to take decision on the basis of the cabinet decision. I will strictly follow the constitution and other things. And plus, brothers and sisters, your cooperation is also solicited. You can come at any time and meet me. Protocol, of course, is there, but above protocol, I want to have a heart-to-heart relationship with everybody, including the press. I was also a managing editor of a newspaper in Kerala, namely Janmabhoomi.